If you want to add your Samsung account to your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your settings, and here at the top, press sign in to your Galaxy. So here you have three choices: sign in with QR code, email or phone number, or sign in with Google. I'll go with email or phone number and simply enter your email. Now press next. So enter your password. Press sign in. Now agree to the terms and service and special condition. Press more. Press agree. And basically that's it. Now you're signed in, and if you have a two-factor security, so you have to follow with that. However, I'm already in. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.